Today at Masala Hub we are making Yakamein. Start out by adding some oil to your pan. Then add in your spring onion bulbs and stir fry the spring onion slices and some ginger garlic paste and the chicken. Stir fry the chicken on all sides. And add in your Creole seasoning. Your kitchen is going to smell wonderful. Then let's pour in our chicken broth and some water and soy sauce and mix it well. Now you can add your egg noodles to enrich the soup all the more. Then you're just left with letting the soup simmer slowly for about 10 minutes on the heat. Serve your Yakamein hot. I love my Yakamein with some soft boiled egg and of course some spring onion garnish. Enjoy! Don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button. See you later!